So I just got the new Astropad Rock Paper Pencil for the iPad mini. I've got one for my iPad Pro, and this one's for the iPad mini. Just came today. I'm going to do an unboxing and we're going to put it on the iPad mini and see how easy it is to apply. Let's get started. Okay, here it is, the Astropad Rock Paper Pencil for the iPad mini. Same size box as the iPad Pro version, but this one's the iPad mini. We're going to do an unboxing of it and get going on it. But before we get going, please take a moment to like this video if you found it useful, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you find out when I post new how-tos and reviews. Alright, let's unbox this. This is the Astropad Rock Paper Pencil for the iPad mini. I just got this. I'm actually pretty excited about this because I've got one on my iPad Pro and I really like it. Here it is, Rock Paper Pencil. Let us unbox this and throw it on my iPad mini. Sorry for that sound. It's probably coming across loud. Let's open this up. So I did an unboxing of this before on the iPad Pro. This is, I'm expecting, very similar, but just a much smaller protector here. So here is the protector itself. It's in this black mat. Here are the pencil tips, and there are some stickers in here probably. I think that was here last time. Yep, some stickers. So let me take my iPad mini. Here it is. Take the pencil off. And we're gonna get this going. Okay, here it is. It's magnetic, so this should just slide right on here. Let's see. Just gonna kind of try and line this up and take this off. And there we go. How easy is that to put on for a screen protector? I like that a lot. So let's replace the tip here and grab the other one. So here it is. Start. Wow, this is cool. Here it is. Easy to put on, as easy as that, which is awesome. Love it. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. Here it is. We did an unboxing. We put it on the iPad mini. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you later.